Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for a digital 19 and digital 19 or sewing patterns business. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So if the topic isn't here, you can just select all templates and the type online store, and it might be also services. So here you can choose one of these templates, so you can start with one of these, and also you can build your own template. So let's get started from here and let's go. Okay, here you can enter your business name, type any name for your business. Okay, and let's move on. Here you can build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as a few sections as you need. Okay, wait a few seconds. So the intro section must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your site look attractive to attract more people and more customers. Choose any section you see it's better than this. Also the product section, the services, the about section, the social section, and the forms, and the footer section. So let's move on. Here you have to add page to your site. Choose any color you want, any color match with your business. Okay, and now choose the font. Okay, choose any font you like, and let's move on. Here you can choose if you want to continue and add the description about your website and about your products, and add the details and choose the writing style, or just if you want to just skip this. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, so wait a few seconds. Okay, so if you want to edit, click here, and the first thing here you have to edit the text here, so click on it like this, and now you can type anything attractive. For example, welcome to our site for digital lighting. Okay, like this. And now let's move on to this section. So here you can edit the grid and the row count, the fit screen, the height, and the alignments. And in the background you can select just a simple art if you want from here, and also you can use image as a background. Delete this and add from library, select from library and go to the free image and uh, search on digital lighting. Okay, okay, I'm gonna just select just a simple image. Okay, for example I'm gonna choose this. Okay, and after this you can change if you want to change the text on this label here. just click on it, go to the text, and you can type whatever you like here, shop now or order now or whatever you like. Okay, if you want to add section, a new section, just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page: images or videos or menus or forms. Okay, you can also add text or image on your section or video or whatever you like. Now let's move on to the site header. So here you can change the site title if you want, if you don't like it. Also here you can upload your logo image as a file or select from library, and also you can add the mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you have to change the wave intensity. Okay, and change the text size, and you can first you have to delete this image to add another one. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose any image you see it's attractive and it's better than this. So this is your site, you can choose whatever you like. And here use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, and what makes them unique. So the first thing before you talk and type here, you change the paragraph 2 to heading 4 to make it attractive and make it more clear. Okay, and after this you can change the topic. And now let's move on to the background. Okay, the background you don't have to add image, just a simple art, it's much better. Okay, like this. Now let's move on. Also here the same thing, just a simple art. Also here just a simple art, and that's it. Okay, and now instead of this image you can add, for example, a map. Okay, you can add a map. So here you can click here and add your business name, your address, the city and the state and the country, and also you can change the design of your map. Okay, and now go to the background and select just a simple art. Okay, now let's move on to the last section, the footer section. So click here and go to the art, the background, and select simple art. Okay, here you can change the location checks and the hours and the contacts. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, you can go to the selling section and customize the price and add the product to your inventory, add the way to get paid, and choose the subscription plan. And the last step is publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.